Yo, hope you're having a decent day. I keep getting this question asked. If everybody keeps asking me what, I know. Let me start. So, with my sticker printer, a lot of people is interested in my sticker printer. If you don't know, let me show it to you real quick. Hold on one second. This is my sticker printer, okay? My DTF one's in my room back there, but this is my sticker printer, and people are very interested in this sticker printer. All right, so I am in the process of maybe teach more about my sticker printer because there's actually more I can tell you about it, but nobody really cares about it that much. That's what I thought. But people are actually interested in it and what paper I use and how I do some of the stuff that I'm doing. I might actually make videos. Let me know if you care to know. I'll make more videos about it. But the question I got today was what paper I use in my sticker printer. I use a bunch of papers, but the one that I use the most of, and it's not really a bunch of different paper, it's just they have glossy, matte, and transparent. Those are the three I work with most. There's probably more, but I only use those three. And I use a different brand for my you know what? Let me get it. I'm gonna get it. I use a different brand for my transparent ones because I don't think this company sells a transparent one. Then again, I really haven't looked because I just found the ones that work for me, and I haven't changed them because I don't really print stickers that much. Because where I live, people don't really want stickers that much. Okay, so here are the papers. When I'm doing my matte, this is a matte sheet. I don't do anything glossy anymore. I don't do anything glossy. This is all the sheet I use, and I turned this matte sheet into a glossy film. And I made a video somewhere on the channel somewhere that how to turn this into a glossy film. This is the only sticker I use. Now for my transparent ones, this is the one I use. I'm not really happy with this one. Eventually, when this gets done, I'll probably switch to another one. Again, you see the thing's still full. That's how much stickers I actually, go through. Again, this is a hobby for me. It's not like I have a store or something that sells these things. I make them for myself or somebody who wants them. And that's how I get back supplies. And I don't have enough subscribers, so I can keep buying supplies to waste them. I just don't have that, period. All right, so these are the two sheets that I use. I use this one, and the reason why I like this one so much is you get so much of it for the price that they're selling it at. And the sheet itself is actually really, really, really good. It sticks very well. It prints on it very well. Everything about this sheet, I really, really like it, and that's why I bought a bunch of different ones just to try different ones. But this is the one I stuck with because it's just a really good paper. This vinyl sticker, it's very good. Period. That's all I can say to it. It's very good. This one, I don't like how the ink don't stick on this one very well. It works. I just can't print on it at a high volume. It also has to do with the sheet too. I mean, high volume. I can't make the ink. I can't put too much ink on this because it doesn't stick very well. If I print very, very light on it, then it will stay. I want to try different sheets to see if they work better. I bought this brand before too in this kind of paper, and it didn't work well either. So I think this brand just make crappy sheets. So as soon as I get the chance to, I'm gonna probably switch this out because I really don't like this. If these guys ever make a clear sheet, I'd love to try it because I think this will be better too. But those are the two sheets I use for now. Again, I'm gonna probably switch this out eventually because I really don't like this one. It works, but it's not great. It's okay at best. And yes, you can print, but you can't print like photo quality. You have to print like high quality paper, and it will come out nice. But on here, I can print at photo quality, best quality photo, and it looks beautiful. And then it just stays. It doesn't smear. Doesn't anything. This is a really, like I said, this is a really good sheet. Hope that I explained it to you. This one is okay. This one's awesome. And I'm gonna check again for this brand, see if they sell the clear one too. So hopefully that helps. All right, peace.